Hello, good afternoon to you. It's me again, Spiller, the IT headhunter. Greetings from Budapest, from the bank of the Danube, not far from the National Theatre, from the headquarters of KBC Global Services Hungary, where I've made a short clip for you because at the moment I'm looking for different IT experts for KBC Global Services that provides IT solutions for insurance and banking. We are an international team of Belgian and Hungarian colleagues, and at the moment we are hiring new IT professionals for the Hungarian part of the team. In this short clip I'm going to talk about the company, the team, the job specification, the package, the requirements and the selection process as well. At the moment I'm looking for a junior telecom engineer who has strong foundation in telecom systems and a passion for automation. And the ideal candidate will have experience or interest in Python, infrastructure as a code and Ansible. And I'm sorry, I will have to use a script because the job description is quite long and complicated, therefore I need to cheat. Okay, so as for the team and the job, you will be part of the telecom sub-team. Managing and maintaining the telecom infrastructure is also part of the job. You will have to work with senior engineers to develop and implement automation solutions. You will also have to automate routine networking tasks, enhancing efficiency and minimizing downtime. For example, you will have to monitor network traffic and detect different problems and troubles. Troubleshooting telecom issues is also your task. You will have to be compliant with the regulatory standards, be involved in the day-to-day operational work of the team. You will have to work on larger projects as well. Improving the services of the company is also your task. Developing Python scripts to automate different tasks is also your job. You will also have to streamline network solutions. Supporting system integration and performance optimization is also part of the job. You will also have to collaborate with the broader IT team, provide reliable communication system for banking and insurance services. You will also have to document network configuration and processes. Creating automation scripts is also your task. Providing clear technical reports for internal stakeholders is also part of the job. You will also have to follow trends in telecom and automation and the financial services sector as well, and you will have to provide on-call support too. So this is the job and this was the team. And as for the requirements, we are looking for an ideal candidate who has a telecom or a computer engineering degree. You need to have basic understanding of telecom systems and networking protocols such as TCP per IP, SIP, MPLS for example. Proficiency in Python scripting and automation is also a requirement. Be familiar with automation tools such as Ansible is also needed. System engineering principles in telecom and IT networks is also a requirement. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills, attention to details is also necessary. Excellent communication skills, good documenting skills, and you will also have to present technical findings to non-technical stakeholders. So these were the requirements for the job. Alright, so as for the package, what we offer here is a competitive package including fringe benefits, which is 10% of your annual base salary. We also provide annual performance-based bonuses. We also give you a Medicover health package and a company phone with mobile internet and private use. And you can also get special employee discount on different banking services. And as for KBC, this is a stable and secure environment with career opportunities, learning opportunities and different training courses. And this is an English-speaking working environment with some business trips to Belgium, and we have flexible working hours, so there is no check-in and no check-out, and no one's going to check your timesheet either. But we have very active teamwork with 2 office days a week. We also have a very active community life with social events such as dragon boating, beer and pizza parties and sports days. And we also have a company restaurant with a view over the Danube, which is really beautiful, I think. And if you come by bicycle, you can use the bicycle storage and the showers as well. Well, as for the selection process, the first step is a pre-screening call with me. The second one is a technical interview with the Belgian Scrum Master and the technical team members. The third one is a personal HR interview in the Budapest office. So apply for the job if you are interested and if you fulfill the requirements. And if you have some more questions, send me a LinkedIn message and I will call you back and we can talk about your salary expectation as well. And thank you very much for your attention. Thanks for your positive reactions and feedbacks, and thanks for resharing my previous clips too. And keep following me on different channels such as YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Instagram, and on WordPress where I have a blog. Plus these clips are also available in a podcast format on YouTube podcast. So don't forget to follow me on social media too. Thank you very much and goodbye.